So the key belongs to a Peugeot 107. It is pretty sad. I've just got the car and I want it to work. To take this key apart, very simple. This screw, I've already done it, so a little bit behind time. Unscrew the screw from here. Then at the back, stick a large screwdriver, flathead, or even a 10p coin, twist it just to break it apart. Do it sort of carefully so that you don't damage anything more. Not that you can damage anything more than that. So to upgrade this to to fix it for starters, you've got to find out what the problem is. I'm a bit of a novice with circuit boards and stuff, but what I do know is where this has come apart and damaged, there is actually a button. That's one button there, but there's a button missing off here, which is actually something that I am looking to do to replace it. If you buy a key off eBay, you'll find one of these. You'll find that obviously it won't be programmed to your car, and there's no guarantee, no matter what you find on the internet, it will work. As I've tried one and it didn't work. So what I've decided to do was, with the one that I've purchased, which looks just like that, just going to solder this button onto my original. So I'm a novice with a soldering iron. My soldering iron, which is here, balancing on my mug, is about £2 worth, and solder, which is about 50p's worth, and a sponge, which is from my kitchen. So this job means switch soldering iron on, make it nice and hot, and the plan being, if I hadn't already done it and knew that it worked, I'd do it again. But what I needed to do was take the chip off this one and put it on this one. As you can see, I've already done it. So what I'm going to do is show you. I'm going to take that chip off here and put it on here. So from my point of view, no benefit whatsoever, but from the point of view of seeing how to do it, you will see how to do it, and it is pretty straightforward. So soldering iron, always get your soldering iron nice and hot, because if it ain't hot, it ain't going to work. So just tap in the end with some solder. When it's hot, it smokes and melts. So while we wait for that to warm up, I'll just try and get the camera located a bit comfortably so you can see it. So the soldering iron now with just a touch on the solder. Try and do it in front of the camera. As you can see, nice and hot, blow of solder wobbling around. Let's get rid of that to a sponge. Always have a damp sponge, I learned that in school. So to take the joint off with the hot soldering iron, light touch, nail on the edge of the bottom, just a light touch, hold it for a second, just scrape some of that solder away on either side of the bottom. There we go. I don't know if this button matters what way round it goes, so it's worth noting one side's got a 3 and one side's got a 1. So if you look at the original, you'll see one side has a 3, one side has a 1. So if we try and put it back the same way we took it off, locate the two areas, so it's there and there, and we're gonna first thing to do, get a nice bit of solder on your iron, just freshen up the solder on the two plates that you want to put the button on. So this way around. Then rest the button in place. Line it up. If you've got any vices, obviously it'll probably be about 100 times easier, more efficient, less dangerous. But I don't really care for that. Right, get that in place and hold the iron, and where you've just put a fresh blob of solder, let that melt, and job done in about 10 seconds. Button now moved from there to there, and to be honest, then what your soldering iron, mount your kitchen sponge, and then switch it off. Yeah, so nice and simple. Obviously you'll need a 2032 battery. That one's the one I took out. So once you've put either one or two buttons on, however many you need to, that's the one I did earlier. You can actually buy the buttons for £2.35 on eBay if you search for that, and you can buy a new replacement shell, which is what I did. Just make sure you buy the right buttons, make sure they look the same. And a replacement shell, which gave me the new that. So the circuit board in, into the key. Obviously, after you know it works, you can put a new nice black screw in. The plate just pulls out of the key, so you can use your new one. Back up. Out to the vehicle. As you can see, well happy. That actually cost me a bit more because I bought a whole circuit board I didn't need, just needed the switches, but it cost me less than a tenner. And I didn't have to reprogram it or anything because obviously I used the original circuit board. So I highly recommend it. Just get a soldering iron out. It's actually 100 times easier than I thought it would be as well. So my video is 9 minutes. I could probably do it in about 3 minutes. Good luck. Hope this helps. Yeah. Soldering. Who thought it was that easy, eh? Cheers. Bye bye.